let's roast some pumpkin seeds.
Gather all your pumpkin seeds from inside your pumpkin. Dump them into a colander. Get them all nice and cleaned up. We want to get all the gunk off of them, all the pumpkin pulp. Wash them until they're nice and clean. Lay out a bunch of paper towels. You could probably use hand towels too. Transfer your pumpkin seeds to the paper towels. Spread them all over. Get off your seeds. Try to get them as dry as you can. The drier they are, the better they will roast. Reheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This part's kind of annoying because they tend to stick to the paper towels. But try to transfer the pumpkin seeds to a pan. They really like to stick. Lay them out in try to get one single layer. So they're all spread out evenly. Pour a little bit of oil all around them. I'm using olive oil. I'm just going to kind of splurt it around. Probably like a tablespoon or so. I don't know. You might need to mix that around too. And then spread it out again. It just needs a little bit. Sprinkle with some salt. Put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. Take pumpkin seeds out of the oven. Let them cool. And here you go. Got some roasted pumpkin seeds. Let me know if you try them out or see what you think. Pretty good.